basically do deeper treatments so that stem cells can actually get in. So I coated his scalp with some stem cells after cleaning him and after the complete numbing protocol. And now we are basically creating microchannels in the entire scalp so that we can get those stem cells right where they belong. Stem cells are like baby cells. They turn into whatever you turn them into. So if you put stem cells, which we derive from his own blood, if you put these stem cells into his hair, it will make the hair get better. If you put it in his skin of his face, it can actually rejuvenate his skin. So we do these treatments everywhere. So plasma is a great treatment. How would you say rate the procedure, like pain wise, from
That's
0
okay.
to 10?
It's
10.
bearable, about 4 or 5.
4 5, and so 4 5 with lidocaine and some ibuprofen we gave him.